Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. In today's video, we're going to build a fitness tracker using JavaScript. We'll cover tracking workouts, setting goals, and displaying progress. Let's dive right in. First, let's outline the main features of our fitness tracker. 1. Track different types of workouts. 2. Set fitness goals. 3. Display progress over time. We'll start by setting up our HTML structure. We'll need a form to input workout data, a section to display goals, and a chart to show progress. Next, we'll add some basic styling to make our app look better. Now, let's dive into the JavaScript. We'll start by adding event listeners to handle form submissions and setting goals. Let's break down what's happening in our JavaScript code. 1. We set up event listeners for the form submission and goal setting buttons. 2. When a workout is added, it's pushed to the workouts array, and the progress is updated. 3. When a goal is set, the weekly goal variable is updated, and the progress is updated. 4. The update progress function calculates the total duration of workouts and updates the goal status. 5. The render chart function uses chart.js to display a bar chart of workout durations. And there you have it. A simple yet effective fitness tracker built with JavaScript. You can extend this project by adding more features like tracking different metrics, saving data to local storage, or even integrating with a backend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.